Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a hand gesture. Actually it's a hand pose in which the hand is holding an object and remaining flat or like upright like this. So we're showing it from that angle. So the angle, the hand that I've chosen will be the left hand, and if you have your pencils all set, let's put in some very light framework. So 2 lines. And then here at the bottom, let's do something. You could do a box shape. Let's try a box shape. So a very flat rectangular box, and within this box we'll put in right here a huge oval, and right here we will put in sort of a triangle at this end. So oval just that big, not like covering the entire box, just that much. And as you might have guessed, that is the butt of the hand right here. So we put in that, we get that going till here. That is the knuckle, and now we'll put in the fingers. So spider-like hooks, one. So I'm doing that with the index finger. After that knuckle, 1, and then 2, 3. So that there is a little bit of hook there at the end. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, which will be a hook more visible because it is in the foreground. And then of course the thumb, which is at the back somewhere, would come somewhere around there, and we'll put in a standard thumb shape right there. So now we will round this off by putting in some skin folds and structure. So I'm putting in a bit of a knuckle here as well. Now it will really depend on what object is being grasped, how thick it is, because the knuckle doesn't always pop out in these cases, but in some cases it will if the object is like just thick enough. So as you see, we're looking at it from this angle, and because of that we can see the top of the hand up to a certain degree. So as long as everything is nicely like intricate, rounded off, it should work. So make this go right up in here. You can even make it slimmer because not all the hands are large. So let's work with just a standard hand. I changed my mind there, and just bring that in that much, and skin folds. So what's really happening is let's round that off. So now we have an object, let's say, going through like that. So it's a stick, let's say, or it's a handle of, I don't know, it could be anything, but let's say that it is a stick. So the stick will go right through, and the skin folds will rest like that around it. Go right through, kind of like that. And of course you will put in the all essential finger lines to get some character going there, getting some knuckle crosshatch there, some vein structure if there is one, and some tones. Let me take that out because it's looking very, very messy. So right there is our stick, and some tones at the bottom should just about do it. So wherever there is an absence of light, we have to put in some kind of tone there to have some shadows doing their work. that's the way it normally works. So there we have it, quick exercise. I think that it was quite easy. And of course, now it'll depend on what hand you're styling this on. This could be a little longer. Some people have a little longer hands, and you could just extend that till here, and that will be a quick fix. And if it's a shorter hand, if you're showing it even from a perspective, you could even bring this in here and place the fingers, but the fingers will also have to move accordingly. But that is one quick angle, and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.